This is a vlog takeover by Jody.
It's to be praised. We keep receiving blessings. Welcome to V-La-Nessa. It's your girl. Lifestyle flaws by her day. She's sweet as pearls. It's your girl. Inspire you in every way. Welcome to V-La-Nessa.
Yes guys, I finally got my credit card. Finally, after 1 week waiting, I finally got the credit card. Because that shit way, I don't know if that was a good thing or a bad thing. That shit way, and then I request another one. And tell me why me have to pay $1,000 from my paycheck to my credit card. Then that's how much me spend? No man, I don't know if me collecting this credit card is a good thing or a bad thing, but I'm trying to build my credit. And I'm not gonna lie, it's building fast, but I can slow down now because I think I got good enough credit. Jody's here. Let's go surprise her.
I'm famous, everybody. So welcome to vlog number 2, which we the exclusive. Right now, I just came in from my other shift over there. This is, I think, a market. This is a Caesar sauce they make. Caesar. This is an egg sandwich. Only the old white people get it, right? I don't.
Did you miss me?
No, I hate her. She bullies me still.
Why crying? Why crying?
I'm tired.
Jody took up what she cannot manage. Do you remember when I used to work in the mail room in the morning and then come here in the evening? Yeah, that's what Jody's.
Yeah, she hurt me. And then look at me, I walked by over there and she was getting the place and stuff. I said, God, I ain't even alone today. And just she was got your plate. I know I've been there. Making through that midway point.
What do you want? More money? Say more money.
More money, more business, more cars, more clothes, and more trips.
Anyways, toodles, this is me.
Doing it on her vlog, so I don't have really any updates right now, y'all. We're just currently at work. I'm really tired, but that's only because I didn't go to bed really last night. So today when I get home, I'm gonna just go to sleep, and tomorrow's gonna be a better day. That's how I'm look at it. Hold on, I have to go get something.
Boy, if you don't.
Had to go downstairs real quick to get this just for y'all. Yeah, it's for her vlog. This is her vlog. This is not even my phone. Alright, I'm gonna quit the vlog. Better put this in of me doing the dance. Yes, again, just chit chatting. He's watching the game. Apparently, we're waiting for Miami to win.
Yeah.
That's my favorite. I love her. She gave me a $2 bill for good luck, and it's, huh? Yes, you gave me a $2 bill, now it sits on my dresser for good luck and good luck only.
$2 bills I got right now.
So, and you haven't given me mine.
Correcting myself, I was gonna try to buy your $2 bill. You wanna give it to me?
I have two $2 bills actually.
Let me give you $5 for your two $2 bills.
No,
What?
this is the manager.
Kid.
What's up?
And
I have to feel there.
I'm gonna end it.
Guys, Jody's dying.
Don't ever do what I do.
She take up more than what she can manage, and now she's moving.
My feet hurt so bad, but honestly,
One man per.
but I think it's because I'm sore from yesterday because I decided to
We're
do
vlogging.
a little 10-mile to 9-mile little.
She's moving like a snail, y'all.
And then I was working out, you know.
We're talking to someone.
And then I said,
She's crazy. Good morning, guys. So it's work time, and I'm going to work. Obviously, you see me waiting on the Uber. The Uber is practically here, but I just feel like I just need to start out this morning properly because the other few days I have not been starting off the vlog properly. So, yeah, here I am today. Anyway, I'll catch you when I reach at work.
That's what it is. You know. The best co-worker.
No, I am. There can only be one.
Yeah, that's me.
No, I've been here longer, so.
You can be the best, I'll be the flyest.
Yeah, you're a fly, right? Let me get this.
You see how this is a live footage of her abusing me. This is what I talk about. So I've been working the morning shift, and then I had to go to the bank to deposit my check so I can pay my car insurance.
This is your vlog.
And then, yeah, y'all wanna come with me? You're gonna have to edit my piss. Yeah, this is the bathroom. Every time I walk in, I feel like I'm gonna walk towards this door. Okay. Essential. I wish I could for myself. Okay.
I'm gonna call it vlog takeover.
I need a pee.
Jesus Christ. This is a vlog takeover by Jody. She's crazy, guys. She's crazy. She is crazy. And that is why I like her, because she's the life of the party.
So we're officially have slowed down. We have a couple people in here. I'm trying to fix the lighting so y'all can see, but nothing too crazy. I feel useless right now because Abigail is freaking doing my job, which is cleaning the tables. So I'm gonna have to get on her about that because now I'm bored. Donna is about to leave us. She's about to leave us. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Donna's been leaving me like early. She doesn't like me no more.
That's what time I've been scheduled to leave early.
Like, she's just been leaving me with this one. I mean, Abigail's pretty cool. She's doing my job though. So I don't know how I like about that one. Abigail, she's wiping the tables though. Like, girl, that's my job. Job stature. Actually, my job description is actually pretty slim. Really,
We need to give her more.
I say I do a good amount of stuff around here. I think so. I went 10 miles the other day. I'm not getting any slimmer. I'm just really regular. I did 10 miles. I need abs. Like, but they need to be, yeah, but they need to be more defined. Like down. But I'm young, so I'm trying to do it while I can. My arms are actually pretty, like, yeah. I did some weights. I don't know, I was scared. And there's this machine where you just, I still feel it. I did like 30 pounds. Vanessa says she speaks broken English in her vlogs, but I actually understand most of it. It's not that difficult. Like, there'll be times where I'm like, huh? But then she'll say something and I'll like reconnect the whole thing. I'm gonna go do something.
Yeah, that's what you should do. Something. Maybe you should pull up the sauce.
Then I'll have really nothing to do later on.
You want to do something. Remember, you have sweet, you have potato, you have more stuff to do.
We might go get stuff from storage. So y'all can follow me to do that. What stuff I need? So, say hey to the vlog. These are my best friends back here.
I'm not your friend.
Actually, I hate all of them. He smells like straight dirt. He smells like just the sewer, not even. I smell like just doo-doo. He smells like the whole sewer. Let's not put that in the vlog, okay, Vanessa? Because I can't. I wear Chanel. I don't want any disrespect to my name. So, yeah. They're currently having some event going on right now. It's really pretty to have an event today. So, I'm gonna go and see what all. So every time I come in here, since I'm still kind of new, I kind of just look around because I don't know where anything is really. So. I might actually organize my side so I know where everything is. Because I have no idea where half my stuff is. Or just be all over the place.
Oh!
He scared me.
I am a ghost. There is one talking in the other kitchen.
What are you doing in my
In your space?
my house? That's all I'm gonna do. I'm about to end this because I have nothing else to talk about and love y'all.
Good morning, guys. So it's the first day of my day offs, and I have a meeting at work. I didn't want to go. I wasn't gonna go, but then I said, you know what? I'm gonna stay on the right side, and I'm going to go. Plus, I wanted to go to HR, and the meeting's gonna keep at HR. So I might as well just use one stone, kill two birds. You know, go to the meeting, even if it's pointless, and then go to HR after. But before that, I have a package that I got from Amazon. I'm just gonna put it before you, and everything that I bought will be in the description down below, so you can get them if you need them. Right? Yeah. So we'll start off with the first one, and mostly some of these stuff are like Jamaican stuff that I wanted, like I've wanted for this longest time, and I couldn't find it, so I bought it online. And then I also have like a vanity bag because the one that I have, it kind of makes things disorganized, and I wanted something that can organize stuff. And I got another like facial thing, like ordinary thing, like yeah. But yeah, let's see what's in this box. So in this box I have the all-purpose Maggi seasoning, because I know we can't live up to Maggi. Yes, I got it on Amazon. So for all of the H-2B people them who for season done, yeah, you can get it on Amazon. And if you want, you can do it in the link down below. Even if you're not from Jamaica, or you're over here and you've been using other season like this, yes, this is how you use to spice up your pot. Yeah, this is the secret behind everything. There is some other seasons, but you know, some of them is not, you cannot ship it. But Maggi, this is all we use. This is what we use. So onto the big box now. Look at this. It's like a Jamaican care package, but it's not only Jamaican stuff in there. So this is a toner. So I used to use the, let me show you which one I used to use. I used to use this, but then there's this app that I've been using, and the app will tell me like which product is good for my skin, which product is good to eat, to consume, and all those stuff. And then they told me that this is rated 0, and this is what I want to try. This is rated good, so I'm gonna try this because it like this have a lot of chemical things that can harm your skin, but this is like natural stuff. Like, I don't want to say natural stuff, but it's less harsh. So this is what I'm gonna start using. This is finished, so I'm just gonna use the last of this because the girl now waste nothing. I already did buy it. I already was using it, but I'm going to start using this now. I bought Scotch bonnet pepper thing because we cannot get Scotch bonnet over here, and this is the closest thing that I can get, you know, the sauce, pepper sauce. I also bought mackerel. So I bought the pepper one because, as I said, we cannot really get the pepper them over here. So I bought mackerel. I've been longing for mackerel rice. I don't like mackerel rice, but it's the once you've been away from Jamaica so long, it's like it's hard to feel for stuff that you're not even used to eat. So I've been feeling for mackerel rice, and I know I'm gonna eat the mackerel and fried dumpling. So I have this. I've also been craving ackee and saltfish. I bought this 2 cans of this ackee, and I was gonna buy the saltfish, but the saltfish have rated and the cheapest one, the shipping of is $16. So I was like, maybe I need to check the supermarket first before I buy it. Yeah, because some supermarkets sell the codfish, salted codfish in a little jar. I just need to find it. Not jar, the little cardboard thing. Yeah. So I bought this, and it is not ideal to have ackee in a can, but when I was in Florida and I couldn't get no ackee, I used that and it tastes just as good. So yeah. I bought lashes extension because, you know, you're gonna go try on yourself and extend and lashes, but some of them I'm definitely not gonna use because they're too long. And yeah, as I said, all of these stuff is in my description box, so you can find them if you need them. This is the organizer that I bought because the one before it not organized at all, and then this coming on my favorite color. So let me show you the one that I had before. Well, the one that I have and that I'm going to transfer to, and I bought it in Walmart. So if you want that one, you can buy it in Walmart. If you want this, just check the description box. So firstly, I got these on Amazon. These are not bad. I'm not going to get rid of this because these are what my makeup is in. And you know, probably ask why you have makeup bag when you don't wear makeup. Yes, I bought a lot of makeup trying to be that girl, and I have not been that girl, I said. So I have these two. This is my everyday makeup bag. This has my mascara, my eyeliner, my lip stuff and so forth. And then this have the every makeup, like the powder and all and something there. Yeah, this has it. Alright. And this is like my bathroom stuff. You see this organized one magazine in there? Yeah, I got this from Walmart. Got that one from Amazon. So I can link that in the description box. Now this is what I bought. It is called Bag Smart. So it's like a toiletry bag. It's organized stuff. Like I can have my makeup stuff right here. Like, yeah, and this is a small one, by the way. This is how it looks. It's like a Bible case. So this is how it look. You know, you put the stuff in there, organize it, and then you also have this so you can pin it up. Yeah, and then you have here where you can put other stuff like your makeup stuff, and then it also comes with this so you can put other stuff. This is like a travel thing, so you can put your travel stuff into it. So yeah, I can't wait to fill this out and properly sort my stuff. Yeah, I got this. It's gonna be my bag. It's the Ordinary. I've been using the Ordinary from the other day, and I bought some more stuff. You know, I want to be consistent with my products. And this is also sold on Amazon, and it was like a very good cost too. It's like if you want to try stuff, you can use this. So this is the moisturizer, this is the cleanser, and this is the hydration drops thing. So yeah, I got this from Ordinary on Amazon from Ordinary. This is how it's packed, and it's like a mouth. So yeah, you all know what mouth to look like, so I don't need to open this. So So is that all done? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just pack up my bag. Yeah, I'm gonna pack my bag. I am ready for the meeting. I'm wearing this jean jacket and my Nike yellow shoes that my aunt gave to me. Outside seems a bit bleaky, so yeah, I'm walking with the jacket. I'm not gonna wear it. I'm gonna take it off. But for now, I'm just gonna put it on just in case I go to the door and it cold. I mean, if I put it back on, yeah, better I go to the door and take it off. So I am going to the meeting. May I go on time? Like, me honestly think it's pointless. But you see, when you want to stay in the good, you go. And furthermore, me go just use this time and go on the road and do something. Because we need to get some groceries and so forth. So might as well me just use the one stone and kill many birds. Yeah. And I was thinking that I need to do my tour, but probably I'll leave that for another day. Because tomorrow I'm not going on the road. I'm going to cook tomorrow and so forth. Today, I'm going to just take care of today, do everything that I need to do today, and then, yeah, start out tomorrow. So, going to the meeting, I'll let you know if it's meaningful, if it was meaningful. Like, I just feel like, so they're going to talk about the car, I'm going to use the car, so I don't need to be there. I think they're going to talk about the apartment, me keep it clean, so, I don't know why we need to go there. Understand? But just in case any additional information is there, I'm gonna go. And I hope it don't take long because I have things to do. Yes, I have hiccups. Hope it don't take long because I have things to do. Yeah. Anyway, I'll catch you on the other side. Outside cold. Outside cold. So, yeah. Glad me bring my jacket. Like, for those who work outside because, you know, so the summer is over, but people still keep summer. Yeah. So outside is very chilly, and glad me bring me jacket. So yeah, that is that. I'll keep you up to date as the time goes by, but I am gonna go to the supermarket because I need to get some stuff, and I just want to complete today. I didn't get enough sleep last night because I went to my bed 2 o'clock and I woke up like 6 o'clock. Like when literally I falling up, me not have no umbrella. But say go, the Uber come pick me up and drop me straight to work. So, yeah. Guys, so much thing happened today. I couldn't even get free pick up. Did I pick up the camera? No, remember. I think I did it this morning, but I went to meeting and then I went my supermarket and bought some stuff. Yeah, so it's like a Walmart place, but it's expensive. And I did a girl hair. Nothing fancy. I hear too much here want to do fine or fancy. And then I did this. Remember this? This, yeah. So that's what I was aiming for. Things just organized. So we have my face products here from The Ordinary. And this also. And then I have my new toner, you know. Then I bought this. I'm going to try this on tomorrow and see how that works. And then we have my razor and stuff for my foot. Yeah, so that's it. So my toothbrush and toothpaste goes in here. So when I come in here, just hang it up and then I fold it up. So everything organized. I don't have to be fighting in that bag here because I couldn't manage. Dash it right. So I did get that at Walmart, but this one, Amazon. Yeah, but I'm just gonna shower now and relax. I need to do one bag of editing, so tomorrow, straight editing. Anyway, later. Guys, I swear this day off is just like last week. I did go on the road yesterday. I think I did say it yesterday. But I did went to meeting. And then I went to my supermarket to do some grocery shopping. I bought a whole heap of stuff. Even though the store expensive, but Michelle just anyway, so today I am just editing for Soul with Nessa, and then I need to start editing for this tonight because if I don't do that, I'm gonna be behind and I need to be on point. So I'm trying to edit this so I can release it tonight, right? So I think I may not tonight but tomorrow. I think I may schedule Soul with Nessa on Thursdays and then this vlog on Saturdays. I think that's what I'm gonna do, because at least I can focus on editing on Tuesday, Wednesday, so I can get that out and then start the vlog and then finish through the evenings and get it out by Saturday. Tomorrow I'm gonna start work 6 a.m. but I'm gonna finish 3 so I can have it the evening to do whatever I need to do, which I think I may just edit, because yeah, I don't have much clip in this week because it's like a vlog takeover. You guys can see it, so we're gonna resume back tomorrow, vlog takeover with Jodie if she's there. Yeah, I think she's there tomorrow, I'm not sure. Anyway, so as I said, I'm just editing and I have not picked up the camera today, so this is why I'm coming to you to just update you, to just say, yo, this is what. Anyway, I sent a long list. Not a lot, I sent a long message in the group, tell the people them about their dirty plate and dirty sitting. It's just one plate still now, but if you make them get away with the one plate, you know that I got turn into multiple plate. And I tell them that, yo, if I go into the kitchen, I'm not in a one good mood, I'm gonna see it, I'm gonna throw it away. So if they want them plate, them need to wash them dishes. The same energy that them put into creating their meals and can put it into tidying up at the place. Yeah, so I send that in the group message. Even though you have all of the apartments and the management in there, yes, let them say I'm serious, because I've been talking to them and nobody been hearing. Well, not nobody, but one specific person. So I just want to put it out there, because we're not having it. Right now, I have not ate any cooked food this month because I'm just annoyed, because yesterday I took my time and I clean up my kitchen, I wipe down the stove, and then this man I'm gonna answer one dirty plate on the stove dirty. I know who that one nasty person. That's why I say, see people, them look cute on the outside but them dirty inside. Yeah, so I'm just gonna finish edit. And guys, I am so glad, like, it is, you see how my skin, like the complexion changing. Yeah, my complexion changing, because guess what, I'm not in enough sun no more. Yeah, I'm not in any sun and I'm inside and it's getting cold now, so you know what that means. Look, the little watch band thing is fading, not really fading, but my skin is going back to where it was. Something like that for me. Yeah. Next week I think I'm gonna pull out my hair, and I feel like I wanna wig it this time. I feel like, yeah. But anyway, you know, my brain come and go. So me say me I go do this today and me choose to do something else. So when that time come, we cross the bridge, because you know my brain. I mean, my brain, my head no good sometimes. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get back to editing because I want to release it, and I just want to fine tune everything, make it look like last week there was errors, and I just want, listen, I am only human, okay? So if you see the error, just tell me, say there's an error, and I fix it. Alright, get you back later. So as you know, today is the last day of my day off, and I am just cooking up a storm. Yesterday I cooked curry chicken and rice, and today I'm cooking chicken. Yeah, just cooking that for the week just in case. And I'm also going to cook pepper steak. So look at this. This is my prep stuff. So this is like garlic, ginger, pepper, sweet potatoes, sweet tomato, sweet pepper, onion and tomato. So this is what I'm going to use to put in the pot. My meat is already seasoned from yesterday, and yes, I am rewatching that to ensure that everything is right. And honestly, there's some little things in there but I not even feel like me going like not that bad. It's just some little pause and some little arm and some little right that I need to move. But let's just see if I'm gonna do that. But I'm gonna cook now so that I can eat, and the people them wash the plate, because them know I'm not ramming with them. Them know say it did go reach that I've been, because I'm dead serious. I'm not gonna say it anymore. That is why I post it in the group. I post it in the group so the manager and everybody can see it. The HR people them can see it, because We don't talk. Yeah. So moving forward, I'll be throwing away anything that's left in the sink. Period. Anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna continue. And I know that you guys want to see me cook and all that. Not it. Let me see if I can. My tripod break, and the one that I carry around it break. When if you buy one, and it just not gonna take too much.
I don't care about the scene, I don't care about the location. All that matters not to me, that you wherever I go, baby. I just need you by my side, yeah. That's until the day I die. Ever since you found me, we the only thing I see. Forever and a day, it's you and me, and they can't replicate this unity.
Good morning, guys. So I'm back at work again. I'm not sure if Jody's gonna be here, but you know, this is a vlog takeover. If she come, I think she is, I'm not sure, but if she comes, you know that I'm going to let her do what she doing. But guys, it's cold outside and the people them set up for golf and it's so foggy. Like, I understand them very loyal to them sports. Love that about them. And seriously, why them so rich.
The way they looking at us, cause I know they wish they had it, and they know we doing damage to the game. I don't care about the stereotype.
People them out there, you know,
do
fi
it, man, we the stereotype.
comfy
I'm talking left, right,
fi
left.
golf
I'm
in
talking
this
left hand
fog,
ring. I'm
even though the
talking
fog
this right here
soon
forever. We need
subsides
this for the
still.
summer.
But yeah, this is it. At work, in the cold opening. The people them loyal to them thing.
The height difference is crazy. This shoe, that shoe.
I thought you were taller than me.
I was.
Now you're short. I'm looking down at you. Is that?
She's calling me a person.
Oh, me?
Yeah. So, I have no makeup on today. I have no hairspray in my hair, but I have my oils in my hair, so it's staying. We were kind of a little busy. She's actually about to leave. Okay, but she was like all by myself.
Nobody's listening to you.
My fans are.
So you know that I'm going home right now? 3 o'clock?
No, I just said you're about to leave me.
Yeah.
That's it.
I treat her like shit and she still miss me.
What were you doing here that one day I saw you on your day off?
Meeting
Meeting.
on my day off. Can you believe that?
Meeting about what?
Just mandatory monthly meeting.
Do we all do those?
Yeah. Just
Hi, how are you? I need to start running more. It's this size, my bad.
listen, you're what, 60 pounds?
Actually, 95 right now.
95.
Oh, look at my gains, y'all. I'm gonna go to the game.
Maybe not.
Stay longer. Can I like sign something for you to stay longer? You live with me.
You can get me 99.
I'll marry you. You're gonna have to say you're gay though. So when are you supposed to leave?
December 31st.
On Christmas? That's
31st.
New Year's? You're gonna be on a plane.
Eve.
On New Year's
No.
Eve. Oh, you're gonna be in
Maybe I leave before that. Or maybe I sleep.
Stay, bro, stay. Stay for 3 years. No. Let me drink my water so you put a lime and a lemon, stir it up.
You know you're white?
Yeah.
Like you're You know that in the Adams family, the girl in the Adams family, black hair, you should dye her hair black.
I was thinking about it. Then I can be like, oh, I'm ginger.
But that suits you still.
What?
The hair.
My ginger nose?
Mm-hmm.
That's my hair.
I was at it. Do a like a temporary dye instead of
A what?
temporary dye. Yeah, that you can wash out.
A washout?
Yeah. You know that thing that you put on your hair and let it dry? You would have to put it in your eyebrows.
I want to dye my eyebrows because like half my eyebrows people can't see because they're like so blonde. Not even blonde. They're just like. Welcome to On the Road with Jody. That's what we should call it. Look at the lighting, y'all. I look so much cuter. I'm working on it. Self-confidence, y'all. Self-confidence. So I'm going to the storage room to get more. Oh my god, this sun. To get some more boxes, to-go boxes. Get some more of these. And then I need more of the big ones. That's small. That's. Ask to. God, this food is making me so fat. Like. Anyways, that's my update. So bright, so bright. Slave work. Yeah, that's it. Peace out, y'all.
Guys, we just reached home. Like, the traffic was trafficking. I don't know what happened on the road because there was a lot of police cars and, you know, fire trucks and so forth. I don't know if there's an accident, but the traffic started from literally from we leave work to coming at my house. And luckily we didn't take a bypass and go, you know, the long way, but the long way ended up turning the fastest way because of the traffic. But what should have taken me 12 minutes actually took me almost an hour to get home. Like, I don't know why the traffic was so long. I don't know if that's what always happened during this time, because it's the first time I'm actually coming home this early, like this time. So I don't know if it's because school is out or there's an accident or something, but I figure more than less it's an accident because the traffic it long like on the freeway, the line was too long. So right now I'm just gonna show and then go edit because I haven't started editing nothing for the vlog. Good thing I already published the one for the other channel from last night. But guys, 2 channels to manage? No sir. Anyway, I'll get that, and I hope that you like this vlog because it's basically like a channel takeover. This girl at work, she want to vlog, so I just gave her, and I was like, you know what, it's good for you guys to see something else differently. And plus she have more balls than me, because you see, because I know what happened in my last workplace. You know, I don't really go up to people and do all of them something there. I try to keep it private, but my manager is fine, them seems fine, but I'm just not going to do it. And I can see a little bit of the work from her, so I'm glad that she take up the offer, and we know that she gonna want to do it every time, but I'm not gonna make she consume the channel, but I'm gonna give you like a diversity of things. Yeah, she like I love that girl, honestly, like for true, because she's like when she there at work, she make our work easy, honestly. It's not like other people that come and even though they're running food, they just run the food. You have some just run the food. She run the food, she boss. She talk to the customer, she asks them if they need drinks or anything like that. Like she deserve a 20%, not 15%, 20% tip out. Like she deserve all the tip. Not really all of the tip because we need money, right? But she deserved anybody tip her bad. She need to come check me, yeah. Jody, come check me. Anyone tip you bad, let you check me because nobody not supposed to tip you bad. You're supposed to be tipped good. And it's like, you know, you have some server attendants, you have some dining room attendant, and sometimes you fight for give them the tip because they know them not do nothing. And it's like she help out everybody. She know favoritize anyone. She run like, girl, big up yourself. Jody, big up yourself. Anyway, I'm going to just shower and then come and edit because if I don't edit tonight, I don't know what's gonna happen Saturday because Saturday I'm gonna wake up early in the morning and go work, but I'll be off in the evening. So if anything, you'll get it late, but you definitely have to get it Saturday. So I'm just gonna start from now. So later, guys, we're going to knock up Jody because you see her now. I wonder how she not reach it, and she's down in her car. Like, watch me now. Watch me now. Because we need to close out this vlog. Why are you not coming to work?
I got 10 more minutes until my little break.
We need to close out this vlog, girl.
Oh, is it just, I don't like how I can't see myself, but this week, I actually have tomorrow off, yo, so
Do you want to work tomorrow?
Why?
Because one of them, I don't know who is it, Jonathan, can't come tomorrow.
6 hours later.
Well, it's not, I'm just asking, I don't know if...
Oh, if I can.
Yeah. Well, just in case,
Yeah,
think
this
about
week
it.
has been interesting, long. I have tomorrow off, and then I work 3 days, and then I have Wednesday off. I'm glad y'all enjoyed myself. I made $20 this morning dealing with somebody I not dislike, but
She gave you $20. You know how much you make overall?
Yeah.
Was it?
It was 40.
Oh.
Because we go 50-50 on it.
Oh. Yes. Leo.
That's the end of this little week vlog. Peace out. Love y'all. Be safe. Follow me. And my YouTube channel will be coming soon. And y'all better follow me.
And subscribe to my channel.
Oh, yeah. Subscribe to her, supposedly. Like, this is her show. But y'all see more of me later on. Peace out.